Hey, welcome to How to Fix a Workshop. My name is Josh, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a busted out dresser drawer bottom. I have the dresser drawer turned upside down here, and this is the problem that we have with this drawer. So the material is a very thin, just kind of a plywood, and it's recessed all the way around, which you can see right here, so that the drawer bottom slides into that recess all the way around. So it's kind of thin in that spot, and you can see this one's kind of cracked a little bit too, but that's where this piece broke off. And this is my son's dresser, so he's probably not super careful with it. But what I'm going to do is take some wood glue and just glue that in, and I have some clamps over here to hold that in place while the wood glue dries. And I mean, this is something that's pretty easy to do with this cheap furniture. It may not last forever, but it should last for a little while longer. And I would highly recommend anybody get themselves a set of clamps, and I'll leave a link below so that you can make some basic repairs to furniture like this, because it's bound to happen. There's a lot of cheap furniture out there. So I'm gonna get this glued up, and then we'll get that drawer slide reattached. I'm just using Titebond 2 here. It's my favorite wood glue. And I'm just gonna be very liberal here with the amount of glue that I put in here. I'm just gonna add a ton and wipe it up later. I don't really care if it gets in that drawer bottom, because it might actually help hold things in place. And see all that glue squeezing out there. It's a good sign that we've got good contact. Okay, everything looks good and tight. We'll just give the glue an hour or so to dry, and then we'll come back out and attach that drawer slide. All right, several hours have passed. I'm just gonna remove the clamps. Seems pretty solid, so I'm just gonna reattach the slide here, and we'll take it inside, and hopefully we won't have any other issues with the drawer bottom falling out. Good as new. Thanks for watching.